Hey guys, this is a very short video on how to use the app and get to the point where your diet is nutrient balanced. I assume if you're watching this video, you already know why Nutrition Analyzer is the ultimate app on the market and why keeping up with your daily intake doesn't make sense. So I'm not focusing on that here. Step number 1, set up your profile here. Just tap on these 3 dots and here it is. It's crucial, just do it. Step number 2, add your weekly grocery list inside the app. Click the plus sign and just start typing what you love to eat. My only recommendation here is don't try to be the best version of yourself by adding only green leaves and other dieting food items. Just add what you realistically will be eating, and then the app will find nutritional balance within the food items you love. Otherwise, you kinda turn this app into all other dieting apps, which makes no sense. Step number 3 is the last step, balance the nutrients. I'll show you how to balance your nutrients manually because I personally prefer this option. When you balance manually, the result is 100% tailored for your taste and implies that you may want to eat more of some products and less of others, while the auto-balance button works more by equalizing all food items. So scroll across the legend to see what each color means. Now that you understand the nutrient chart, tap on whichever nutrient you want to balance. And you will see that once you've tapped on it, all the food items in your diet are now sorted by sources containing this nutrient. And now the balancing is all about pulling the rope. If the nutrient is deficient, you increase the portion. And if the nutrient is excessive, you decrease the portion. As simple as that. As you see, the moment you pull the rope in one or other direction, you immediately see how overall nutrient picture changes. I'm talking about nutrient bar. So here, there is no chance you can get lost in it. It's very simple. That's basically it. Your goal is to pull the rope until the chart is green. If you want to discover what are the food sources for a particular nutrient you're trying to balance, tap on the nutrient you're interested in on Diet Analysis. And if you simply want to read about the nutrient, do the same thing. And if you want to create a second or third diet, pull the food list down like this. Once you've created the diet, you don't have to do it again. That's it. Enjoy your nutrition, and please, if you tried the app and have an opinion, share it with me on nutrition.analyzer@gmail.com. We are a small startup, so every single opinion is very important for us.